Welcome guys, so today I am with the iPhone and Edifier NeoBuds Pro, and I'm going to show you how you can link these two devices. So at the first, just open the case, and when you make it, this indicator will make this kind of animation, and it will be moved to the right side, so it means that right now we are in the pairing mode. But if you cannot find them on the list, I'm going to show you how to make it manually. So basically you have to click and hold, sorry guys for that. You have to click and hold this button inside until this indicator will start swiping like that. You can release when this animation pops, and you can go for the settings, go for the Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and after a few seconds they will appear on the list. So we can just simply download them, connect them. We are connected. So another step, we can also use the application where we can find more features, like for example the sound equalizer, noise cancellation, and we can also enable the game mode. So we have to open this App Store on your iPhone, tap on the search bar and type Edifier, and that's the application that we have to get. That's Edifier Connect. Tap Get, and now just be patient and wait until the download will finish. You have to click install, and also you have to input your Apple ID. So I don't remember mine actually, but I will try to put it. Of course, I'm gonna make it out of the screen. Okay, I remember. So right now the download is on the way, and just wait. Okay, right now we can open. You have to accept all this permission that pops on your screen. Click OK. And as you can see, when you connect them previously by the standard build settings, you will be already connected right here. And that's all for this video. So if you find it helpful, just remember to like, comment and subscribe.